Hello everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter at Ralph's Trucking. This is a shout out video. The Cobra Roll. Great guy. He's the one who's designed my banner, my avatar, and my video intro. And here it is. That's the work he did. He designed my avatar or icon, my banner on top of my page. He also designed the intro video on all the I will use on all my videos, and he also designed my screenshot for my live streams. So everyone, if you're not subscribed to the Cobra Roll, his link will be in the description below. Please go subscribe to the guy. Watch his great content on amusement rides. I'm not a person that likes rides, but I love his videos. Everyone, go check out the Cobra Roll. If you need work on your stuff, contact him. He might want to work for you too. And if he leaves me a message down below, I will pin his comment. So maybe he can have some more work. He does great work. Y'all, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Like I said, he did my icon, my banner, my live stream screenshot, and he also did the intro I will use in all my videos, and you just saw him right before this clip. Thank you so much for the great work. He's working on my other channel too, so if you do not have the Cobra Roll, please go subscribe to him and leave him a genuine